Respected dignitaries on the dais, our correspondent sir, Sri Komma Janardhan Reddy Garu, and Director sir, Sri Komma Rampavan Reddy Garu, respected head of the department, professors, dear faculty, and my dear lovable students, a very good morning to one and all. A very good morning to one and all. No reply from your side. Good morning. Okay, thank you. On this occasion, on behalf of the whole team of GCET, I am extremely privileged and most honored to welcome our today's chief guest, Sri Komma Janardhan Reddy sir and Sri Komma Rampavan Reddy sir. Cherished to welcome our teaching, non-teaching staff and our main heroes, our students of GCET, along with other ladies and gentlemen. I wish to take this wonderful opportunity to thank the management for their valuable contribution to the institution over the years. I thank all the benefactors who collaborated with us and worked tirelessly for the institution and are the cause to complete 14 years successfully and to celebrate this college trip. I am proud to be here in front of you to present a brief report about GCET. The Global College of Engineering and Technology was established in the year 2008 with 4 disciplines undergraduate with an intake of 240. Today, the intake is increased to 786 and have 5 disciplines in UG, 7 disciplines in PG, 5 disciplines in Diploma, MBA and also intermediate. Our college stands as one of the best institutions in this Kadapa city. I say with full confidence that the college has a boundless growth through an integrated structure of curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. If you observe the last year developments of GCET, from the academic year 2020-21, we at GCET implemented tutorial classes, assignments, slip tests, and giving the solutions to previous year's question papers elaborately in order to improve the academic performance of both the average and clever students. GCET conducted workshops, technical seminars, symposiums, awareness programs, induction programs for first year diploma and BTech students to tap and nurture the skills of the students. Expert lectures with eminent resource persons, faculty development programs were also conducted for its access to both the students and faculty members. In these 14 years, 10 batches of BTech, 7 batches of Diploma, 10 batches of MBA and 9 batches of MTech have gone out successfully with splendid achievements. Many have been placed in good positions and have been well settled. We must appreciate the efforts put by the management to make the students efficient, high discipline and self-oriented in respect of getting their jobs and standing the industry to become a source as an employer. Placement drives were carried out by bringing reputed company into the campus. Personal guidance for both academic and personal issues is made available to the students through the counseling programs by the head of the departments and principal. Industrial visits have been arranged to introduce the students to the latest technologies. Celebrations like Sankranti Sambaralu, Women's Day, Ugadi Sambaralu and Ramjan Eid have been organized to bring out the multifaceted talents in the students. Our college website, YouTube and Facebook successfully launched and is being used to upload the current events and programs. Our GCET students have excelled not only in their academic pursuits but have also won laurels in many fields. Mr. B. Hemant, studying first year Diploma Electrical and Electronics Engineering, bagged the gold medal in National Level Indoor Archery Championship 2021-22. Congratulate him. And Mr. K. Kartikeya M. Subbarayudu, studying first year Diploma Computer Engineering, Miss T. Aruneshwari Y. Jyotishwari, studying second year Diploma Electronics and Communication Engineering, got selected for district level Kabaddi team conducted at Kadapa district. Congratulate them. And Mr. Vamshi, studying final year BTech Computer Science Engineering, got selected for JNTU Anantapur cricket team. Please congratulate him. Most of our faculty has the recognition and acknowledgement for their expertise in various disciplines, published their research papers in various reputed journals, receiving awards and positions as the reviewers for an international journals. Our GCET faculty, Dr. Samson Praveen Kumar from Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Bala and Dr. S. Farooq Anwar from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department received PhD degree from the reputed universities in the academic year 2021-22. Congratulate them. And my dear young students, first of all, I would like to thank you all for choosing our college and keep remind that no one can teach you 100%, even though we also, but we'll give you directions, suggestions, how to fulfill your dreams and happiness. And I request our correspondent sir for this point to please tell a small story about Markata and Marjala Nayam. సార్ చెప్తారు మీకు ఆ కథ చాలా చక్కగా నాకంటే. సార్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్ ఒక 2 minutesలో కథ చెప్పండి అని. నెక్స్ట్, ఇట్స్ అవర్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ అండ్ డ్యూటీ టు లర్న్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ అరౌండ్ ద వరల్డ్ and improve your mindset. Be in touch with technology, knowledge-based websites, journals, magazines. Those will show you path to set right your career with flying colors. Maintain higher standard of honesty, integrity, ethics, and diligence in the academic career and all other professional responsibilities. Moving ahead on the path of excellence, the management and principal are ready to effectively take up the forthcoming challenges in diversified domains. Now, play. Please pay attention, all of guys. I conclude with a few valuable words told by our legendary personalities. If we segregate overall years into generations, in the first generation, weapons are the power. In second generation, money is the power. But in the current, in the third generation, knowledge is the power. Maharshi సినిమా చూసారు కదా అందరూ? ఏముంది అందులో చెప్తారా కొటేషన్స్? తన నాలెడ్జ్తో ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీని స్టార్ట్ చేసి అతను ఒక సీఈఓగా సెలెక్ట్ అవుతారు. అలా మీరు కూడా మన కాలేజ్లో స్టూడెంట్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు కొంచెం మీ మైండ్ని అప్లై చేసి మీరు కూడా ఆ లెవెల్కి వెళ్ళాలని మేము అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకే, మా తరఫున మీకు ఎటువంటి హెల్ప్ కావాలన్నా కూడా చేస్తాం. So, try to utilize all the resources of the college and improve your knowledge. Be disciplined, commitment and hard work towards your task so that you will be the role model in anywhere in the world. So, without wasting much time, let's begin and unfold the various events awaiting. I hope you all enjoy this morning and afternoon by displaying our GCET talents. Thank you. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.